Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few different ways on how to open up Device Manager on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you tap the Windows key and the X key on your keyboard at the same time, so again Windows and X, you can select Device Manager from this list here. You can also right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager as well. You can also search for Device Manager just by searching into the search menu. And if you wanted to search for something else, you can also search for hdwwiz.cpl. And this is a shortcut to open up the Device Manager application. Also can open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by large icons, and then you can select Device Manager from this list. If you open up Computer Management, you can just go ahead and search for that. You can open up Device Manager through this list as well over here on the left. Just left click on it, and then Device Manager should open up on the right side. Something else we can try here, if you open up the search menu, type in Settings, Best Match, come back with Settings, go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left side, should be the default landing page here. And on the right side, scroll down underneath About, and then scroll down again. And underneath Related, select the Device Manager shortcut here. You can also open up through the Task Manager. So if you right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, select Run New Task, and then type in devmgmt.msc, and then select OK. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, those are the main ways on how to open it. I mean, we probably could go through other ways too, but I think that was 7 or 8 different options for you to explore. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.